let's go on a date. Now, I haven't specifically been on a date before, just because my relationships have always evolved somehow differently. So I've never had the situation when I'm sitting across a stranger be like, hey, do you like this, what I have to offer? So recently I've done a little research on what's out there, and honestly, I'm very, very happy that I haven't done those things before out of sheer desperation and loneliness. So we're gonna have a look at the dating world, especially the online dating world. And even if you are not looking, even if you are in a partnership, we're gonna have a look at your dating history. And not just from the standpoint of how your past relationships, dates, sexual relations have impacted you and how their energy might be still circling around in your biofield, but we're also going to be looking at the things that people like to forget about, that how you have been impacting your past relationships, dates, trials and errors. How is your context affecting others around you? I have done segments before on the differences between a codependent, an independent, and an interdependent relationship. We're going to briefly revisit that together with a very brief but concise psychological profile on the different attachment styles. So this time we're gonna go all psyche, as well as impact and context.